Right, let's get on. There is Amarnath who cleared PMP. I just talking to him, man, the interview day has come. The hot seat day.
Yeah, I was waiting eagerly for this day, sir.
Primarily aim is to clear PMP. This is add-on.
Yeah, yeah, it was in my wish list.
So it's an wish list.
Yeah. Also, in my wish list, it was there that I will first time call Mr. Sriram when I pass the PMP. It was my goal. It was there that I was a bit nervous that I will I manage to actually get the PMP certificate or not. So I was too much worried, and I never thought I can. I mean, initially it was impossible to me, but it was my dream that I can do, and if I do, then only on that day I will call Sriram
Wow.
and to let him know that I have done. But but
So,
uh, but
mhm.
I was actually following your each and every point, whatever you were saying in the training, maybe in WhatsApp group, your video. I used to follow each and every words what you say, and also sometime I used to ping with Rahul and discuss with him.
Great,
So
great.
thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot for trusting us and following what we say because
Yes,
following
sir.
someone is not easy. You know that when you're a child,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
after getting the
yeah,
corporate life, we go, why should
yeah.
I follow this guy? Why can't I do on my own? Yeah.
Answer for me, I tell you that I passed my plus two in year of 2002,
Uh-huh.
and after that, after 18 years, I have learned so much
Wow.
in on that level, even more than that plus two.
Yeah. Yeah.
So after 18 years, it was tough. And also, sir, one thing I want to tell you that it is my first certification in my corporate life.
Woo-hoo. You did a big
I never
certification.
done any certificate, any training before,
Very good. Very good.
and this
Hey,
was too much tough for me, sir.
seriously, heavy man. Hey, for the people who read regularly, for them itself, it's heavy, right?
Yes.
So you should be very happy and proud of yourself, right?
Very happy. Sir, that is because of you. The first day when I took your training, it was like 5th September. Actually, I was in my hometown during the COVID days. I went there in month of February.
Okay.
Okay, that time actually I am from West Bengal. My
Mm.
hometown is one place like called Haldia, but I
Mm.
used to stay in Kolkata for my office work. Uh,
Mm.
I, I I I stay there. But
Mm.
during this COVID time, I was in my hometown.
Mm.
Around like 6 months, I was there. That
Mm.
time, I was usually doing my office work from home, and then I went back to Kolkata on the month of September, 1st September.
Mm.
On the same day, I suddenly I was checking LinkedIn. I saw one of your my I mean a college senior. He just
Mm.
passed from your PMP, and he was also your student.
Mm.
Uh,
Mm.
so I just ping him from where you did and what was the experience. So he just share your LinkedIn profile. I just checked there, and I
Okay.
got Rahul number. So next day I
Okay.
just call Rahul, and I booked that. And Rahul was telling that, sir, this is the last time in 2021 everything is changing. So I thought that I have only 3.5 months, so I have to clear at any cost. And I just on the same time I just confirm him that I am going to start from the 5th September, and I
Very good.
joined.
Very good. See, sometimes decision making is very important. So the
Yes,
way
sir.
you're explaining, you saw something, met your friend, and took a decision, right?
Yeah.
So the
Yes.
leadership essence is already there within you. There are
Yes, sir.
people who can't even decide which handkerchief to buy. Okay.
Yeah.
They're confused. White color handkerchief, blue color handkerchief. Man, you can't even decide a handkerchief. What you're going to do in your life, right?
No, but for me, sir, I was totally blank. I have no that much idea about how the PMP. I just heard about PMP, but
Jump
I
instinct.
had a aim. Yeah, I
Mhm.
had a aim that I have to get it so that I can, I mean, uplift my career and to, yeah.
Cool, man.
That's why I just yes,
That's leadership, you know. Leadership is all about jump. Let's see.
yeah.
Okay, there is a certificate of Mr. Amarnath. Look at him. He got PMP, CSM, CSPO, domain expert. Oh man, very strong profile you have. Pretty cool,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. I have just like 13 plus of year of experience. I am since beginning. I am in telecom domain.
Oh,
So I have sir both like experience from operation as well as from project. Like I worked under a project manager for a few days as a solution architect.
Uh-huh.
before. So I know something about the project management and how I interact with project managers before also.
Very
And
good.
in my
Very good.
current role, actually, I am in a operation telecom managed service operation.
Mm.
My client is from Malaysia. So
Mm.
in my current role also, we used to, I mean, work with the project management team, like in case of any new product coming. So I know few terms like change request and all those things, the UAT,
Okay.
user
Okay.
acceptance teams. These things, so
Good.
it helped me in my journey also.
Fantastic. Where is your office? Which city in India?
I'm Kolkata.
Office is in Kolkata. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Kolkata, good city. Yeah. So I used to check out on city stuff. So what is special in Kolkata?
Uh, no, Kolkata, Rasgulla, sweets is special.
Rasgulla. Oh man.
Yeah.
How about the something is there, right? Some chat item is famous.
Uh,
No?
Samosa?
Look like you are not going and having somewhere. I can
No.
tell.
Maybe last 1 year I am stuck in home. Papri chaat, you can say papri chaat.
Pretty chat. Yeah, I
Yeah.
thought about it. Okay. Okay. So for a job, do we need to go to a different city or you will stay in Kolkata only?
Yeah, yeah. I used to travel before.
Oh,
I have traveled in many country also before. Like I was there in Nigeria in my one assignment, like 3 years I was there.
oh, very good.
I
Where in
also,
Nigeria? Where in
yeah,
Nigeria?
in Lagos, Lagos.
I know the place, Lagos. That's a capital,
Yeah.
I believe, right?
No, capital is Abuja, but it's like
I think
city of
initially
Mumbai, like
capital is Lagos. Then they changed to Abuja later.
in Abuja. Yeah,
Yeah,
now
yeah,
it's
yeah.
Abuja.
Okay, Lagos is a place I know that. Okay, what other country you been?
I was in Bangladesh, Dhaka.
Uh-huh.
Then I was in Malaysia also. I went there 3, 4 times
Cool, man.
recently.
Okay, okay. So different food tastes you have seen.
Yeah. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
As you travel all these places and see places, how project management is respected with this kind of learning?
It's too much, sir.
Uh,
They have a topmost respect. Yeah. In my office also I have seen. Yeah.
there's
Because
pretty.
they used to get a lot of pressure. I mean, they used to handle everything, and so people respect usually, and they have like under many people are working under him. So I
Mm,
also worked under project manager as a solution architect. So I
okay.
know this position is how much. I mean,
Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. So, which book you picked up to start reading?
actually, initially I started. I just first 3 chapter Rahul told me before starting to the. I mean, training. You just go through first 3 chapters. So I started with head first, but I didn't. I mean, I was not comfortable. There was too many examples, and also I called Rahul. So I told him that he told me that how many experience you have. He has some experience. So he told me that he suggested me you can try Rita. So and when you were, I was the training was ongoing. So I was also parallelly reading the Rita books. Okay, and also I was making notes from your classes. Whatever you have given in your workbook, C-learning workbook, I have written once in my notebook. The same thing I just written, so that I used to start using writing. And also once one chapter is finished, like stakeholder is finished, I write down all the whatever you have given notes in the training and whatever is there in the workbook. I write the same thing in the notebook. And at the end, just high level, I have put some notes from Rita, not in depth, just high level. So this was the beginning. So once I have completed that first, then I thought that again I should read the Rita. So I read complete again once after the training was done. I read complete Rita again, and I prepare a note. Okay. After that, okay. Also in between, I was taking the Rita and head first questions, the knowledge area wise, what you suggested. In that once I finished Rita, then I started taking one full exam in the from PDF 2 and PDF 6. So I from PDF 2 I gave 1 2 3 3 mock from PDF 2, but that score was like 60% like that. So I thought maybe I have to try once the PM book. So on the month, actually, I will tell you one thing. I initially I was thinking that I will give exam by November
Okay.
30th November. It was
Mm,
my primary plan. And also I discussed with Rahul. He gave me one Excel sheet. that how you should follow. Like when you give the chapter wise, then the PDF mock, then prepcast and all. After that, what I did, there was Puja, Durga Puja vacation, in October, in the month of October. So I went again to my hometown. That time I was some deviation, and also one thing happened. And that time, one of my brother-in-law, he got affected with COVID. So used to go there. I used to help my sister. So that time, like 5 to 10 days, I was off track. So again, I was thinking that if I stay here, I will not be able to continue and I will not be able to focus. So again, I go back. Everyone was saying, "Don't go Kolkata. There is too much of COVID pressure, and you stay here." But actually I was giving exam. I told nobody. Only my wife knows that I'm preparing for. But I was studying. Suddenly, my parents is saying, "Why you are studying? You never study like that. What happened? What you are writing? Are you giving exam?" I told him, "No, no, no. Actually, it's a office exam. No, that much pressure. Now a COVID days." Because I was building too much pressure. If I fail, what I will tell them? They will also build like expectation and all. So it was from day first. Even I didn't call you, so I thought that if I fail, what I tell to Sriram, and you guy, you take training and you didn't pass, man. So actually, I was this negative thought was there, but also I was thinking that no, I can do, and once I will do, I will call Rahul and I will call Sriram that I can do, I have done it. So I again went back to Kolkata in the month of November. November 4th, I went back. Before that, I booked exam fee. I booked in November, October 22nd, I think. Okay, I booked the fees, and I date was like 21st December. I booked the exam date, and without thinking that I can do, I just went back to Kolkata. Okay, and November 4th.
Okay.
So after that, I again started reading the PM book. So I just focused fully on PM book. I once completed whole PM book, all the chapter. That time I got again lot of knowledge, and that time I realized that each and every word, each and every sentence, there is some knowledge, there is something, some message is there. So if I initially when I once tried before reading Rita, but that time I was unable to understand anything. So once I read Rita and then I read the PM book, I got some, depth knowledge. And also I parallelly I prepared a note, full note for the PM book that I read before the exam. That note. Okay. So
Very good.
after
Very
that, I
good.
gave the fast prep cast, and I
Mhm.
scored like 70% in the fast prep mock
Good,
one.
good.
And
Very
say,
good.
I was thinking, is it possible from 60 to 70? How come normal PDF 2 mock I was 60, 59, and this one I 70? Because of that PM book full reading.
Makes sense.
And
Makes
after that, yeah, after that it was and during prepcast also I found many things that there was some doubt. I cleared those doubt, like what is quality control, quality audit. That was few notes like quality audit, then the lesson learned register and repository. What is the difference? Many questions used to come in that places. Then some from resource management also, like develop team and those things. Those some doubts I cleared. And what is issue? What is assumption? What is risk? Though there are many questions used to come in prepcast. What is from many questions from change management also. Before I had some high level knowledge on the change management, but when I did the prepcast, I got this depth knowledge on these chapters. So my concept was almost clear on that time. Initially, I thought that I will give whole 7 more prepcast, but you took one like on 6th December, you took one session, I think, for that. So last minute suggestion that I thought on that day, I first time I call you on that. Although when I got some like I have like 70-76%, now I can call Siram. And I am eligible now. I am going to that track. So I just I on that session I just to tell you ask you that what I should do. Shall I do complete all the prepcast or only 5 is sufficient? You told no. You just do 5 prepcast and also do one twice the PMI mock. That I want to tell you that PMI mock is crucial. I was never realized someone telling in the group that no, don't touch PMI, it will deviate you. There is, but when you told me on that day, that clicked and that helped me in my exam.
Mhm.
Because what I think, the question in Prepcast, the language is totally different in PMI exam, main exam, and it was quite tough also. So when I did first time PMI mock, I was just casually giving in 3 hours. I just completed the PMI mock, but there was a lot of wrong answer. I got around 60%. Next day, as you told, I gave again without analyzing it. I gave again the PMI mock, and I got around 76%. So that helped me. Also, I was used to that language.
Yes.
There was a difference. Yeah.
Yes. The language is important. Score is not important. So it's all about the
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
That's fantastic. Good. Thanks for taking things seriously, working out. I like the way you approached
Yeah.
it.
Whatever you suggested. Whatever you suggested. Yes, sir.
Great,
And
great.
also one thing, sir, you told me that integration part and all the execution to read again from PM book. So
Yep.
what I did, I had time. You had a session on 6th December, but my exam was 21st. So on the next day, I read integration again and the all execution process group again.
Very good. Very
Okay. And also on the last 1 week, I did again this thing. This part.
fantastic. Fantastic. Superb, Amarnath. Really good to see that how much dedication you say put there. By the way, when you clear the exam, did you tell to your family what exam it is?
Yeah, now I'm telling, maybe I like, yesterday I told my parents. I came back to my hometown.
Okay,
I told that I clear one exam. I told my brother that this is the most, I mean, prestigious exam, PMP. So they were very much happy. Now I'm telling my in-laws.
now they
Only my wife knows. They are happy. They don't know that much, but they are happy. When I told that this is an international exam and too much effort I put, maybe after 18, 20 years, I never thought I can do. And also, this is my first time.
that too when you sit and read for 8 hours, 10 hours at a stretch.
Yes, sir. And
Yeah.
also, sir, one thing you told us that early morning. So next day, when first 5th September my class was started, and next morning I wake up at 5:30. It was my daily routine. It
Oh.
was my daily routine until my exam. 5:30 I automatically wake up. No alarm, nothing. And sir,
So
one thing, I in Kolkata, sir, me, my wife, and I have two kids. The
ah
small one is very little. He's just 1 year. So there is too much pressure. And nowadays there is no house help. So my wife and I used to struggle too much with my two kids. My kids' exams ended on 17th December. You see, only 4 days I left. And that whole day I told that I will only study, nothing, no work, no feeding, no sleeping. Because I used to study from 5:30 to 7:38. Then I wake up my small kid. I used to feed him because my wife was doing other works. So then I used to sleep him also. So those stuffs also I learned one thing, what you said, that first you have to take care of your family and health and all these stuff. So I think that if I don't help my wife and take care of my child, how can I pass? So I used to think, whatever happened, I will also contribute in my family.
you remember it. So first thing
Sir,
is
you are more than trainer than you are motivator, sir. Good motivator.
the first thing I say is first thing take care of your own health. That's the first
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Second thing,
I lose weight, sir, also in this
family. Second one is a family. Third one is learning. Fourth one is earning money.
earning.
Only if you
Right,
have
sir.
health, family, learning, earning will come. If not,
Right.
even you
These
earn
are
it.
keywords.
Good, good. You recall that, and thanks for remembering it. Even I have to be board what I written on that day. Very good. Great to know, Manath. I see the dedication, commitment, and being a good parent, taking care of children is not that easy, right? And the credit goes to your family, right? They are supporting
Yes,
you
sir.
on this
Yeah.
situation, and they're backing you, not asking more question what you're doing, rather they supporting you.
Yeah.
Yeah, how many are
My
doing that? They ask question, okay, tell me what you're doing. Yeah.
no, she supported me a lot. I used to share with her my pressure. Let's see what I will do if I fail, if I pass. Then she used to encourage me. No, you will pass. You see, I am 100% sure you will pass. I told her, no, I know many people are giving. I am not sure what I will do if I fail. Then she used to encourage me. What happened if you fail? Also, he just told one time maybe that if you fail, you will try again. No problem. We are happy. You will learn something.
Right,
So,
right.
but I was sure if I fail once, I will not able to put that much effort again because this is I am doing after a long time. Maybe like I told you.
See, now you found your strength. Now your strength is the moment you set a goal, you are able
Yeah.
to achieve it. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you have tasted your strength now. I'll tell you, you won't give up. In next five
No,
years,
sir.
life will be totally different because
Sure, sir.
you start applying this pattern in other places also.
Yeah. Sure.
One
I
beautiful,
will follow, sir.
yeah, one beautiful thing about PMP is it's not about PMP. It's about your personal strength. You realize who you are.
Yeah. Right, sir.
That's pretty good. Pretty good. Great, Mamaнаth. And thanks a lot for coming up here and giving these valuable tips. And if you want to say certain do's and don'ts for the people for 2020 and 2021 for next year also, what kind of do's and don'ts you will give to them?
Do's, I will say that keep consistency and follow whatever your trainer is saying. Don't deviate yourself because you see in WhatsApp you see so many people sharing this that you can you will demotivate. I should how I can cover all these things. Man, they are saying that read that one. Don't deviate. Just follow your one person. Follow your trainer. Follow your coach, and just stick to it. And you set up your goal. And I used to do one thing. I used to set up a small goal
Mm,
for long term. It's a I mean that PMP, but small day like that. I used to give prepcast one day.
mm,
Then what you told 2 day for review. So
mm,
my pressure was I have to do that within that 2 day,
mm.
whatever any cost. Maybe in morning time I was not getting that much time due to some other issue. Maybe office work, some emergency came. I have to support because I am in operation. So
Right.
what I do, I have timeline that within 2 days I have to complete the review, 200 review question. But as you know that 200 question review is too much time taking. So if morning time I was not getting, so I have to extend in evening. At night maybe 12 or 11:30, whatever happens. So I used to complete first day I will complete 100 question
Mm,
review, and next day another 100. So
mm,
this small target you have to fix and then achieve one by one. Because PMP journey is not a small one. Like 3.5 months journey, every day you have a. If you don't, one thing you told me that if you like miss one day, it will be a huge backlog on you. So
mm,
I don't want to. And also one thing, sir, you told me that write 49 process book. So I see that if I like I miss 3 4 days, and again I am missing something. So you have
mm.
to do every day.
It's like
So
brushing. Like brushing.
yeah, yeah, just brushing. Yeah, just
Just
have it, make it habit.
tap it. Cool. I'm so happy to see the amount of involvement you have showed, the amount of trust on what we request
Yes,
to.
sir.
That's a great.
Silent follower.
Keep working more and let this success continue. Okay, let it be a. You said after 18 years I'm doing something. Now you found a way. Every year you have to spend some time and energy on yourself. That you found it. The more you do this, this is going to help your family like anything, right? That's really good. I really like the way you helping the little one to feed the food and sleep
Yeah,
them, out of
yeah.
all this busy
Because
schedule.
he only sleep. I mean, I have to sleep. My wife can't sleep him. Get him sleep.
Fantastic. I'm so hats off to your great efforts there. Super.
Because I was thinking that if I don't do that, maybe I will fail. Because Sri Ram told me help family fast. So like you have some subconscious mind, everything you have to follow. So I was following each and every word what you were telling. That
Okay.
small eating,
Okay.
not too much eat. Yes.
Okay, that's great. That makes me more conscious now. Thanks for the trust on that. Super, Bhavanath. Happy talking to you, man. Thanks for coming on this Sunday to give your valuable inputs. Right.
Sir, one thing I want to share, maybe on as I told you on the exam day, I had lot of I faced lot of problems.
Please go
So
ahead.
initially, yeah, initially my exam was at 5:15 p.m. Okay, and they asked me to log in, check in before. I mean, 30 minutes before. So I exactly log in that time, and I checked in. Within 10-15 minutes, check-in was complete. Like I just uploaded the picture, everything. Then one screen came and they were asking me to wait there. Within 15 minutes, they will start. Okay, I was waiting, but 15 minutes gone, they didn't come. They just appear one thing, the one message came that we are unable to launch your question. You can chat with us in different window. You can click there, or you can reschedule. So I was, I mean, too much pressure. What I, if I cannot appear in exam, because that was 21st and only few days left. And if I try to reschedule and it is not, it was not possible, then I have to maybe give exam in 2021. So I was just praying. So suddenly what I did, I closed the window, Pearson window, and I opened another. I again did the checking, and it was already that time. The exam time was left like 5:15. It was like 5:20. I again did the checking. Okay, I uploaded picture and everything. And again, I was waiting. After 15 days, again it was showing that no, we are unable to wait. Just folded handily. I was just praying, just still waiting there. Nothing was doing. After 5 to 10 minutes, they just suddenly appear and started the exam. So initially it was so fast up. It was too much pressure due to that.
Yeah.
Before I was calm and quiet, but when this happened, so what happened yeah. So actually it make me too much nervous.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
initially, like in first half, 15-20 question, I was confused. I just marked them. And when I review, I thought that I mean it worked after that.
I understand. I understand. Yeah. Lot of learnings. Each exam is look like new learning. There is one person just now said that
Mm.
I have to wait 1 hour for the exam to start
Okay.
because the screens are not coming because of over heavy load. The exam did not start for 1 hour for some reason.
No,
So
also
every
what
exam is a new
in
experience.
when I click to their window, Pearson window, I tried to discuss with them. I pinged them, but they were also not replying. They are saying that we are busy with other proctor exam. We'll reach you later. So that was, I was just saying that at any cost, just start the exam. Whatever happens, pass or fail, just start at exam, because I cannot wait another day and another pressure.
That
Because
is
I
true.
was worrying that I will get reschedule or not. I will able to reschedule not. Already at that time, already 4 days I think left. Slots are left. So,
Mhm.
so
Yeah, yeah.
that initial pressure was built up.
We will think we'll close it as one shot over,
Okay.
right? We don't want to extend it.
Yeah,
Close it
yeah, yeah,
over.
over.
Enough.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Super. Great. Thanks again, Amarnath. Have a great time in your life. I like the dedication and commitment from you. Let it be as a good stepping stone in your leadership path. Do more. Keep winning more.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. I also want to thank Rahul and you. Rahul is truly, I mean, just is wonderful support throughout this journey. Thank you, sir.
All time. All time.
Thank you.